Good day, ma'am. I am the group representative to differentiate the two platforms, which is the eToro and Instagram, and identify which of the two platforms is our preferred broker. So, Instagram is a social media platform where like-minded people share their knowledge or opinion regarding to stock market and investing. Instagram uses virtual trading platform that makes you practice buying and selling stocks in real time without the risk. It can also help you hone your skills further by competing in trading competitions. While eToro is also an online broker and investment platform with over 6 million users, eToro allows you to get involved in real time in forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, commodities, and ETFs. You can make long-term investment as well as day trade. So the difference between the two is that the eToro uses dollar money to trade, and while the Instagram uses peso money. eToro also you can uh, trade using a real money, while the Instagram they don't use real money. The difference between the two platforms is that eToro uses dollar money, and you can actually switch that virtual account, to a real account where you can invest a real money and start earning from it. And if you really understand what's the process on earning from eToro. And I think the companies that own it in eToro is international, while Instagram uses Philippine money, and the companies that own it is the companies here in the Philippines. And I think Instagram don't offer a real deposit or real investment in their platform. They only offer virtual. For us students and new from these platforms, we need to understand and study on how this platform works for us to not lose money but earn money from it. So as we have our brainstorming, majority of us prefer the eToro platform. It is because it is the trading is in dollar. It is because eToro itself is easy to understand, and you can easily buy and sell product virtually and earn virtual money from it. As I study eToro platform, at first I got confused on how it really works because I'm new from it. So I don't really understand what's the point of studying it. But as I explore eToro platform, it is a bit exciting. You can have the privilege to be one of the shareholders on that particular company you buy. You can also trade your share into bigger amount and earn from it. The trading in eToro is in dollars, so the money you earn is double than peso. So that's why we chose the eToro, because the earning from it is double. I'm not into trading, and I'm not also a risk taker. I'm a type of person where if I invest, I will assure if that investment will earn or not. So if that investment will not earn, I will not take that investment anyway. But in this online platform where I can use virtual money and trade, because yes, it's virtual, um, I think my risk appetite is neutral. Neutral because even if it's virtual trading, we need to be wise and cautious on how we spend or buy our money in that particular company. So, how can we learn in that platform if we don't take that seriously? When I choose it, when I use eToro in choosing a stock, I will go to the stocks, click the stocks, and explore the biggest movers, stock movers on the market. So this means that based on my understanding, if that's the biggest mover in the market, they have the highest earning in that particular time. So after that, I will decide if I will buy that stock or not. The strategies that I use when using the eToro platform is that I will check my portfolio every now and then to check if some of my stocks are ready to trade. And after that, after selling my uh, stocks, I will find another stock to buy and wait another time to sell that stock again. So the tactics that I use to minimize my losses is that I avoid selling the stocks that is not good yet. I think that's color red, and if it turns green, that means it's good to sell. Based on my portfolio's performance, I think it's not that bad because I earn $1,372.69, and that is 2.10% of my capital. Um, for me, it is a good start because considering that I am new in learning this kind of trading, um, it is a good start. And since maybe sooner, I can use it when I'm interested to trade stocks using this platform.
Identify your risk appetite. Companies and businesses cannot avoid risks that may occur, but an organization must always be prepared whenever a risk is taken. With the eToro platform, most of the market has losses and profited less. So, my risk appetite would be investing less or start only with a less capital because the sales were only few. Having a big capital can put the market loss, profit, and there would be a few of rewards to be taken back. Discuss what is your deciding factor in choosing and picking stocks. As a businesswoman, the main purpose in investing is to gain money. Making decision on what to pick stock is also hoping or expecting a good quality of a product or service. Gathering information for me would be the main factor before availing a stock, if it is profitable to invest with them. Picking a best company would be a great start for an investment on stocks. What are the different strategies you use to gain profit from your respective portfolio? What are your tactics and action to minimize your losses if it is losing? With a platform of eToro and reflecting on my respective portfolio, focusing on how to gain profit would be offering long-term investment. Social trading is also a strategy that can help markets to gain profit. Sharing of ideas and updates on their investment can also attract investors to avail services on the market offers. In the market, loss must not overweight profit, but achieve on minimizing losses. Company must do action on how to recover. Risk management must do their part by identifying the losses, monitor and manage the risk directly so that the negative impact can be reduced. Based on the performance of my portfolio, the learning report is uh, with the portfolio given, I have gained ideas between profit and losses of the market. Starting up on investing must not always based on how much is your capital, but on having the profit with the investment taken. Along the business, risk may also occur. That is why the risk management program is very important in every firm.
Hi everyone, good day. My chosen platform is Ethereum because Ethereum is the best online trading platforms for beginners. So in fact, it is a zero commission when it comes to buying and selling US stock. So as a beginner, I experienced that eToro is a great choice for beginners. It is simple to learn and understand when and it has a fantastic job of blending tools and features, user-friendly web platforms, and mobile trading app. So my rest appetite is the rest seeking because I only buy stock that are equally likely go up to 29% or full 49% within a month. So my deciding factor in choosing and picking stock is good current and projected profitability. So when choosing stock, it is important to consider a company's financial fundamentals, including earnings, operating margins, and cash flow. So the different strategies I use to gain profit for my portfolio are my personality and risk tolerance. So my risk tolerance determine how my investment should be allocated among different asset classes. So based on the performance of my portfolio as a investor, I know to determine an asset allocation that best conform my personal investment goals and risk tolerance. So in other words, my portfolio meet my future capital requirements and give peace of mind when doing my investment. So that's all. Thank you.